everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica and today I have an unboxing for you. This is a product that I got from Brandbacker. Actually, it's through Brandbacker from Neostrata. I have gotten some other products from Neostrata before through Brandbacker and I've absolutely loved them. So when this popped up for the chance to apply for it, I absolutely took that chance, and I was very happy when they accepted me into this campaign because they let us pick out 3 of their 10 best sellers, and they are full-sized products. I am totally excited about this. I just opened the box, I broke the seal on it, and I haven't actually delved into these products, so we're going to do that together. But I have tried some other stuff over the past year or so from them and have been absolutely pleased with everything that I've tried. And they just make a really good product. So I really wanted to try some of the things that I haven't tried yet from them, and now I get the chance to do that. Many of you know that I am an absolute skincare addict, and a lot of things don't work for me. A lot of moisturizers for mature skin don't work for me. So I purposely did not request moisturizers because I know that many don't work for me. The first thing that I requested was the exfoliating wash, and this is pretty darn big. It says it's formulated to synergistically stimulate cell renewal and prepare the skin for maximum treatment benefits. So let's pop this open and see what we've got inside, if I can get into the box. Sometimes that's easier said than done. I like the packaging on it. That is nice for in the shower or on your sink. If you drop it, that's not going to break. And it looks like it's got a foamer on the top. I am not going to spray it out everywhere because I don't want that. It says on here that it stimulates cell renewal, enhances texture and clarity, which I do have some texture issues, which I think is fairly common with more mature skin, and it prepares the skin for treatment. So I'm excited to try this, and just because I have to, hopefully it will open. I want to smell it because I have to smell everything. It just smells fresh and clean, like naturally fresh and clean, not like it's perfumed in any way. So that will be a very fun thing to try. The next thing I have, because I'm a serum addict, is their Illuminating Serum. It is neoglucosamine, peptide, licorice extract, alpine plant extracts, and vitamin C. I'll try to get this one open, and I will show this one to you. I just love serums. I don't know what it is. Probably because I have oily skin. I like the way the serums just soak into my skin without ever feeling heavy, and you get that brightening effect. You get the moisturizing effect without that heaviness. Oily people will understand that. This is actual glass. I'm going to have to be careful with that because I'm kind of klutzy. So this says that it enlightens. I'm going to assume that it brightens your skin. It says this powerful serum is designed to illuminate and brighten skin that is affected by hyperpigmentation caused by aging and UV exposure. It's got a nice little pump here on it. Hopefully that will show up on the camera. I like the pump style on it. It looks like it's not gonna, like some pumps are so high that it pumps out too much product. This looks like a nice short pump, so hopefully it won't over pump. And it's very light, and it's, I don't know if you can see it, it's almost like a gel consistency, and I actually prefer that in my serums. I don't like it to be too liquid because then it's everywhere, it's a mess. I like the gel serums because, I don't know, it's just, it goes where you want it to be and it doesn't slide all over the place. So I'm very excited to try that as well. And let's see, this last one is the Intensive Eye Therapy, the Synergy Formula, neoglucosamine, peptide, apple stem cell extract, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and caffeine. Caffeine is something that I usually don't touch, but hopefully it will be fine for my skin. More great packaging, and it says it lifts and firms, smooths fine lines, and reduces puffiness. I don't actually get puffiness, but I do have some fine lines, and I really need the lifting and the firming. So another nice short pump. I like that, especially on an eye cream, eye treatment, because you just don't want to get too much out. And this one does not pop off, so I can't smell it. I can't tell you what that one smells like, but everything has been unperfumed so far. I have a feeling that's pretty much everything from Neostrata is going to be unperfumed and have like just the natural ingredient smell. Certainly that's the case with the serum and the exfoliating face wash. I cannot say that tonight. And the other products that I've tried, like the niaminocide, I can't remember what else that I have gotten from them, but I've liked everything so far. I am sure that you guys will see these again in the near future because, as you know, Skin is In. I put all of my skincare products in that. So I will be testing these out and I will really let you know what I think. And y'all know that watch me on a regular basis. I will tell you exactly what I think about a product. If it's working for me, I don't bash things. I just, that's not my style. If I don't like something, I'm going to tell you, it doesn't work for my oily skin, but I think it might work for this type or that type, or it's just no good at all. I wouldn't recommend it. So far, everything I've tried from Neostrata, I have very much liked. So I'm optimistic that I will be the same way about these, but you know, I will be honest when it comes to these products. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I am going to leave a link down in the description box if you're interested in trying any of these products for yourself. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.